Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Watch me. So, Alkaline drop a tune named Mirage, right? And a subscriber said, SouFLoTV, please do a review upon this song. Please do a review upon the song bad. Do a pen and paper review. I like to keep my subscribers happy. You know what I say? Especially if it's someone who's been at the channel from me never have no subscriber till now. When them asking for do things, me do it. Right? Or do it to the best of my ability then. But, let me tell you something. Another person says, SouFlo, yo, you're not the music review again. Not really, brother. The reason why I'm not doing too much music review again is because these artists not moving me. They're not inspiring me. Them don't make me want get up and take up my pen and paper and write out the words to them song and listen them word for word and rewind and say, that him say, you have few artists right now who are going good. I'm going to tell you who they are in a minute, right? Given the climate of how things are in Jamaica right now, and we say a better way I look for, we have to support better when we see better, right? We can't stay stuck and do the same things, listen to the same things, speak the same things, and expect different results or positive results when all we've been getting is negative results. So check it. Somebody said to me, yo, SouFlo, which part Tommy Lee there versus which part Alkaline there for 2018? Remember how Alkaline fan them used to talk crap about Tommy Lee, or Tommy Lee need to go find a hit song and him need to go from here so and him career dead and over. I know see a beer moves Tommy Lee and make and Tommy Lee thing up right now and Alkaline gone silent. Right? Is it so? Leave it in the comment section and let me know. Last night Brains said to me, babe, cause we daddy I talk about dancehall, you know, and everything else, and she said, babe, where is Alkaline for 2018 anyway? We don't hear nothing from him yet, right? And boom, him drop Mirage. Here's my thing about Mirage. The song is, it's okay. Him switch up the flow, but it sounds like a flow from Gage new song also. I don't know if it's a new wave where everybody a catch, right? And I'm not saying that he is copying Gage flow. I'm just saying that it sound like. It sound like something we're out there already. But now I say the song not good, but the song is not something where me I go jump off a high building for. It's not something where me I go run and grab pen and paper and say, no man, blood clean. Me have to rewind this again. Or what is? No, it didn't hit me like that. And I know a lot of people, and this is another reason why the person who said SouFlo, you're not review, you're not under no more review again on dancehall music. The reason why I haven't is because if you check my channel, I'm trying to steer away from too much of the negativity. You know what I say? And I'm getting to realize now that my people, the crowd that follows dancehall music, majority of them are ignorant as shit. And they are so ignorant, they don't even know when you're trying to defend them. You over there try to defend them and them will tell you suck your mother. And then them find out later say them you try to defend. Like, everybody a hothead. Everybody is killer on the internet or want to be killer. Or when me see you, me I go bust a shot in your head. Or, hey boy, stop call up my artist name. And then them same one ask you, you're not doing no more music review. Or them same one link you, yo dog, review that song from Alkaline. Review that song from Tommy Lee. Review that song from Vibes Cartel. Review that song from this one, that one. You want we do review upon the artist, but when we do a review upon the artist and say something that you don't like, giving our honest opinions of how we feel about the song, we get suck your mother, right? So me try to stay away from that kind of a crowd, you know what I'm saying? And talk about things that are more meaningful to life than that waste of time stuff right there. Now, Shane are going good, Wayne J are going good, Gage are going good. Alkaline do the song Mirage, and I can relate to the part that Alkaline said, man I drop daily. Politicians scare we. Still I go and smile all when them treat we unfairly. That's facts. Man I drop daily at Jamaica and I say we got 100 and something murder in a 20 something days. Right? A facts. He's speaking to the climate of what's going on. May I say yes, the song has sound more mature now. Man a drop daily. Politicians scare we. That is facts. Jamaican politicians are some scary fuckers. Me say it. Them evil, man, and they make the people them afraid of them. The people them can't even go out the door go protest that they don't like them because most Jamaicans are scared. You hear me? To how the politicians them moving in Jamaica, rob up the country, take all the wealth for themselves, and make majority of the people under sufferation, and the country can't get no better. So that right there, man a drop daily, politicians scare we. Still a go and smile all when them treat we unfairly. Enough youth a go and hold it, right? And I go and smile all when we get some unfair treatment by the system. You see it? So, yeah, big up to Alkaline for that. Them kind of long line there in the song them, make a youth, you know what I say? But when me hear a song like what Gage say, me know you work 7 days of the week. Me know you feel like nobody don't see it, but no worry. Somebody knows your story. And them song their motivation and upliftment, you know. In the same song Mirage, Alkaline drop a line where say, gunshot fly through your fucking head side if you ever hurt my ego. What? So you're trying to tell me that your ego is so fragile that you're willing to take a human being life if them hurt your ego? Not if them hurt your mother. Not if them hurt your daughter or your son. Not if them hurt your lover, your wife or your husband. That if them hurt your ego. Yeah, that's not SouFLoTV. For me ego get burn up long time. No boy can boost me up and make my ego go up and overload and me feel like me want to kill somebody because you open your mouth and say something and it hurt my ego. You know what I'm saying? I'm big enough to walk away from a fight. I'm good at fighting, both gunfight, physical, hand-to-hand fight. I'm good at all that, right? And I do enjoy it from time to time, but me not gonna take nobody life over no ego. So, more of the people and be careful the message that they're sending in their music these days. And that's the main reason why I haven't been reviewing too many of these songs that's coming out, because sometimes I can't believe. So the artists them now pay attention to what going on and them still a drop the same kind of song them back to back to back. Huh? Watching a video the other day and reading an article where it said the killer them in Jamaica get younger and younger. 15, 14-year-old a lot gonna go murder people, bust out big man and big woman head, right? And more brazen killing. It's no wonder why. They have a soundtrack to go with them things there. Will make them feel like it's okay once they start to think those things. Their favorite artists sing beer, splash out marrow pan wall, and carry big gun, and they can play that shit in their ear all day. For some reason, this starts to make you feel like what you're doing is right, or somebody out there agrees to what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Me can't promote them thing there. So yeah, big up to Alkaline with him song Mirage, man. The youth of 2018, I know say him not kill nobody out the road physically. And music him a do. And I'm not trying to paint him as someone that's killing anybody. I'm just telling my audience why. I'm not pen and paper in the song. Me not pen and paper no other artist song either. If you don't notice, I'm going to take a look on my channel. The last song I pen and paper was from Wayne J. Pay attention to that little youth there. Wayne J. Yeah? Wayne J, Shano, and Gage. Them thing up for 2018 for me. As some say, I SouFLoTV, you know, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think. Go and go listen to the Alkaline Mirage. Same way, right? Go and go listen Shano. Go and go listen Wayne J. Go and go listen Gage. I'm out. Me know you work 7 days of the week. Me know you feel like nobody don't see it, but no worry. Somebody know your story.